Happy Wednesday, folks. How y'all doing out there? It is a very, very happy Wednesday here in Douglasville because Wagner was kind enough to send me a brand new Flexio 5000. It just got here today, so I'm going to open it up. Compared to my 3000, it's a lot more compact. I'm excited about that. Let's see what we got here. This opens up like so. Woo! We have a hose, instructions, which I promise I will read. It also comes with some paint bags, which is really dope. And then on the inside, can y'all see that? We have the big cup for your wall. My favorite for furniture, detailing and staining. Not sure what this is, but it has an eye on it. I know it's important. And this is where the turbine is. So we don't have that same error that we had last time with paint getting in the turbine. I love how this is all nice and compact. This is pretty dope. That opens up like this. We have a really long hose. What I like about this compared to the previous model, the paint attachment, the motor, the turbine, it's all one thing, so your arm gets tired really fast. With this attaches to the gun and then this area here in the front. This is lit. Let's see. Right? Then we put the plastic bag I was telling y'all about in here. I like to make sure that the curve of the straw, this has a technical name, but in this workshop, it's the straw, is going in the same direction that the paint's gonna come out, so that when you are tilting your paint canister, you're never losing paint. All right, that goes on there. This goes on here. Okay, maybe I should have read the instructions first, but I'm just so excited to use this thing. I don't know what to do with myself. And now I have this whole hose to do all of the things. And it's light. I'm very excited.
I cannot wait to use this on those sofas.
So yes, I'm gonna read all the instructions, get everything set up, come back with another video for you from my client's house where we will be painting their sofa. Wagner, I cannot thank you enough. I appreciate y'all so much for making my little workshop awesomer. And yeah, I might end up painting the whole house this month because I got this fancy apparatus to do it with. Flexio 5000 by Wagner. If y'all have questions, let me know. I gotta get back to the other workshop, but thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon. Bye.